I mean, when you just think of pure labor requirements to produce the same amount of work, one of the optimal use cases is that we have found, and you gather has been tremendous in working with us and getting into VNA. Some of our results within VNA, we're scanning, somewhere around 300 or so locations per flight hour, and depending on the number of LPs that's in those locations, that's resulting in, roughly 2,000, 1,800 or so LPs scanned per flight hour. And when you think about what we would have to do that with people, it's not even, it's not comparable, right? This is not an apples to apples. It's so far ahead in terms of what we can do in the same amount of time, and then being able to allow those resources, those team members that would otherwise be on equipment counting, allowing them to just do more value-added activity, actually researching variances, doing process method observations, auditing, training, much more value-added activities rather than counting. And that's been, there's an effort to again try to get to counting only what we have to, and using more these resources to help and support operations more. And we're seeing that every day, getting better and better with the technology.